Plenty of Sunshine Travel. Today I'm on Explora Journeys and I am doing a bunch of different room tours, and I really want to show you this room. I was just looking at one of the residences. Phenomenal. You need to go back and look at that video. And this is the room that it connects with. So if you're traveling as a larger family, that can be your home base. And this room right here is the one that you can have the kids sleeping in. So we can just follow right along here, and you will see this is the way, and it's got a lock here so that if you're not having both, you're still good. And it connects right into here, and then we're gonna follow along, and we're right here in the powder room, as you can see, and there's a gorgeous makeup mirror here. You've got lots of room for hanging all of your items that you brought. We also have those amazing frette robes that are here. You can see that. And of course slippers. And if these slippers don't fit, ask your suite attendant. He'll get you some that do. We've got this gorgeous thing right here where you can go and put all of your jewelry, all of your small pieces, maybe some ties rolled up, and then you can always access them through the glass that is right there. Tons of storage here. You can see that one. It's just a little tricky to open right now. Tons of storage. This one should have your bags. Yes. So if you don't want to do the self-serve laundry, you can absolutely do laundry service and just put those in your bags and they'll get taken care of. Next, I have the wonderful washroom. And there is so much room in here. And you've got the body lotions and the hand and body soap, the Mandela Blue soap, and this is formulated specially for Explora Journeys. So you cannot get this scent anywhere else but Explora Journeys. And I gotta tell you, that shampoo that's in the shower has made my hair so soft. It's incredible. So here you have cotton buds. Another cotton buds, and then you've got your cotton pads sitting there right beside it inside this gorgeous stoneware container. And then moving right along, we have the giant shower. Look at that rain head. Oh my goodness. And then you've got this wand here that comes off and you can wash your feet with it. And it's just connected. You've got your water pressure and your hot and your cold. Of course, your hand and body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And as I said, these are specially formulated for Explora Journeys. And you've also got your handrail here. Now down at this end, you can sit and shave your legs. You can just take a minute while you're showering and just have a break if you need to. That's a gorgeous bench right there. And of course your towels. What surprised me is not having a door here, but it works out just fine. Now remember that I am your Explora Journeys expert and I am here for you for your bookings. We also have here, this is in every single of one of the suites. These are heated floors in the washroom. So you can go minimum, maximum, and just turn it on and turn it off. And within seconds, the floor is heated up. Moving right along into the main room, we have the bed right over here. Now this has got this sheet over it. This is so that you can unpack your luggage on top. They do take that away once you're settled in. You've got some little knickknacks on the shelf and some of the lighting. And then along here, you've got the use of binoculars while on board. And they're encouraging you to explore the horizons. Beside each bed, you have an outlet. You have a USB-A and a USB-C. You also have your light switches on and off. And of course, your reading light there as well. This is a king-size bed. Some of the rooms have 2 twin beds in configuration. So let me know when you're booking, when you reach out to me at info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com, what your preferences are. If you need the king size bed or if you prefer 2 twins. You've got a really nice, comfortable couch area. And these are the water bottles that your host attendant will make sure are filled up constantly. So these are for use on board. You will also have other water bottles that are for taking off the ship. So right here you're going to find really a lot of space for your storage. This one here is a safe, and I like it because you can actually fit a laptop in there. Sometimes when I go away, it's a little tricky to fit a laptop. But this one has a really nice laptop safe. Following along, we've got our coffee maker. We've got our ice container to keep in the fridge and a kettle. So that all pulls out. Oh my goodness, I did not mean to do that. I will get that hooked up. So we've got this, okay. So right here, you've got your coffee maker. You've got a spot to hold your ice and a kettle as well for use on board. And this is just holds the individual little pods there. And that is just fabulous right there. You can pull this one out. You've got your saucers and your cups, different sizes, your corkscrew, all kinds, everything you need right there, and your glassware as well. Moving right along, we have an absolutely stunning terrace, as you would expect since it's called an Ocean Terrace suite. So you have the table, you have 2 chairs, and you have a ultra comfortable day bed to just lay back and enjoy your chaise lounge and take in those views. Oh my word. Love it. We are currently on our way to Bonaire and then Curacao. So today is our sea day and I'm exploring all of the rooms for you. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and you reach out to me. So it's Plenty of Sunshine Travels, our channel, but reach out to me anytime and I will help you with your booking. These pictures are in every stateroom, and if you read all the way across, they actually tell a story, which I thought was really neat. So it's quite interesting. If you just read the spines, they kind of all go along and they're going to tell you a little story. I thought that was cool. Now the stories do change in each suite, I do believe. So that right here is the Connecting Ocean Terrace suite. Now there's one thing I did forget to show you in this suite that is right here is every suite gets a Dyson hairdryer to use on board, which is incredible. It dries your hair so fast, and this whole thing is made just to store it beautifully. So that's the drawer right there in your powder room, in your, right there where you're going to be putting on your makeup. And that's the Dyson dryer.